Well, it's on a trailer, but for good reason. Going to get the exhaust done, and I don't have a second driver right now, so the next best thing, show you what the exhaust looks, or what they show you what the exhaust sounds like, looks like. That sounds terrible. That's the exhaust. It's terrible. Show you what we're doing. I almost feel sponsored, but I'm not. I'm not sponsored, I assure you. I got Speedy 10s. Yeah, the Speedies. That's what was it, Tom's Refurb makes these. I wanted to get the 2.5 inch, but all he had were the 3 inch. But he sent me I don't think this was purposeful. I doubt it's on purpose. He sent me one 2.5 inch and one 3 inch. So hopefully the exhaust shop can get that figured out. I did message them to basically ask if they had one or the other available. And they said they don't. So I didn't ask, they offered. They refunded me for the 3 inch. It told me to order another 2.5 when it becomes available. So I told them I originally wanted the 2.5, but they didn't have them, so I ordered 3. So they basically they basically refunded me for one muffler and told me to reorder a second one. So basically half price. I'm gonna see if I can make it work. So you heard the before, so I'll show you the after I pick it up. Well, I got the car picked up from the exhaust shop. It's on the trailer behind me, see? On the trailer. Unfortunately, it looks like it's going to start pouring out any second. Like pouring and storming and all that fun stuff. So I'm gonna attempt to get this thing off of the trailer and finish up this video for you guys and gals. I think it sounds okay. Doesn't sound like the greatest thing in the absolute world, but I mean, I think it sounds okay for what it is. Just basically a stock 400 Ford in a big car. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get home and finish up this video before I get stuck in a downpour. So wish me luck, I guess. Try to show you this exhaust while it's on the trailer, I guess. What do you think? They do a decent job? There's one 3 inch and one 2.5 inch. Just is what it is. I'll deal with it for now. This must have been the 3 inch one. It looks like they put like a adapter on it, or reducer, whatever you want to call it. I thought they were going to do like angled tips or angle them down, but they just went straight out. That's not what I asked for, but whatever, I can always fix it. We'll see if it grows on me. But I don't know. Exhaust looks pretty good. See how it sounds, I guess. Not too loud in here. Trying to get the exhaust kicked down. There we go. That's not bad in here at all. And of course, here comes the rain. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish this right now. I have to wait. Not too loud from up front. Nice rumble. little smoky. Don't sound terrible though. Whoopsie! Don't want to forget about you guys. So there you have it. Got a good sounding exhaust on this car. I think it sounds all right. After sitting here and reviewing the clips on the GoPro through the GoPro app, I think the exhaust note fits the car pretty good. It's not too raspy and it's not too like mellow. You know, a lot of people put like real like mellow tone on these cars, and it's just, yeah, I'm happy with the way it sounds. It sounds pretty good. So I'm gonna try to get some miles on this car this week because I might be driving it down to Indianapolis for Power Tour this coming Monday, and subsequently the next day, which would be Power Tour in Joliet, Illinois, which is only like 20 minutes from my campground where I have my camper. So it looks like I'm gonna drive down to Indy Monday morning, and then Monday evening drive back to my campground, and Tuesday run up to the racetrack in Joliet. So maybe I'll see some of you guys out there. I'm gonna try to rendezvous with Dalton and the inevitable Jim at some point. Dalton suggested that I drive my LTD and we can meet up at some point. So I think that's what I'm gonna try to do. So I'm gonna try to make the best of it. So now to put some miles on this car and make sure everything's okay with it. Yeah, I know it's a little smoky out of the driver's side bank. I gotta look into that. Still got some fine tuning to do on the carburetor, so it might just be that simple. Who knows? So, but other than that, it seems like it's running and driving pretty good. So we'll see how it goes. Maybe I'll see some of you guys down there, and safe travels.